So this is the former Hightstown passenger station. Later became a freight station. It was moved from Railroad Avenue and Stockton Street to Summit Street. You know, there's a little industrial section of town, Coca-Cola plant, Medlin lumber, and it had a little ramp attached to it. Some years ago they moved it over here. Sort of a library, historical society building. I'm not really sure what it is, but done a nice job of restoring it. There's a similar building in Cranberry Station, which is, I think, houses an art gallery. But you know, typical Pennsylvania Railroad styling, you know, clapboard siding, or an olive green color. Some places I think there's like a gold or yellow color. Yeah. See, there's a crossbuck from south side of town. I think it's from Hickory Corner Road. That's where they did the first abandonment in 1966. River crossing, look out for the locomotive, you know. They were kind of unwieldy. They would bend every which way, and every time we had wind or a storm, almost falling over. But one of them made its way here. Attached to this other building. I'm not sure if this is called Reed House or what, but this is like another building with historical artifacts about the town. So there you have it. Technically, there was no railroad here. It was more along this direction, down about a block away. Went over Main Street, Route 33, and the Rocky Brook, headed south to town. South of town, and stood there till 1983-84 when they did a second abandonment. There you have it.